My dear students, welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to give you the complete solution of Unit 4 of Section 1, that is History and Culture, according to new course Grade 11 Compulsory English. The lesson name is Qin Dynasty. Exercises of Unit 4 History and Culture, Grade 11 Compulsory English, according to new course. Okay, let me enter the exercises. First of all, in your book, there is exercise of words. Okay, matching the words is there, and I have given you the answer. Match the words with their meaning. Brevity. Brevity. Number A, brevity, lasting only for a short time. Number B, conquest. Its answer is victory over a place or people by use of military force. Number C, resemblance, the state of being alike. Number D, barbarian, a member of an uncivilized group of people or culture. Number E, ally. Ally, one state united to another by treaty or a league of military purpose. Okay. Number F, nobility, the state of being noble in character, quality or rank. Ruthlessness, kathorta, nirdayita, the character of having no pity or compassion. Number H, decimation, the killing or destruction of large number of population. Number I, harsh, its meaning is cruel, nirdayi, kathor. Number J, elixir, a quality that is believed to cure, a liquid that is believed to cure all ills, amrit. Okay, now using the words in sentences. The first one, number 1, there is invasion. Invasion means forceful control. The 2003 invasion of Iraq was the first stage of the Iraq War. It is in sentence. Number 2, disregard. Disregard means ignore. Her sister totally disregarded all the advice she was given. Number 3, paramount. Paramount means supreme, ekdam sarvocha. His happiness was of paramount importance. Number 4, populace. Populace means common people. The people despised their ignorant leader. Number 5, revolt. Virodha garnu. Teenagers often revolt against parental discipline. Number 6, assassination. Assassination means murder. The assassination of the king occurred at night. Number 7, serfdom. Feudal system that includes serfs. Serfdom was abolished in Russia in 61. Number 5 number slide. Answer these questions. Why is the Jew age called a feudal age? The Jew age is called a feudal age because the Jew government bore a strong resemblance to some of the form of feudalism in medieval Europe. Jew age like feudal age भनिएको भन्दा यो युरोपको जुन पहिलेको फ्युडलिजम थियो नि त्योसँग यो मेल खान्छ. What is the location advantage of the Qin dynasty मा यो लोकेसनले गर्दा ठाउँले गर्दा के कस्तो तिनीहरूलाई सजिलो बनाएको थियो. The territory of the Qin state in modern Shanxi province is well guarded from the east by mountains and gorges and has easy access to the North China Plain through the Yellow River passage. No major battle took place in the Qin's heartland. अब लडाई नगरिकनै तिनीहरूले जित्न सफल भए अनि यो गज र माउन्टेन र पहाड र गल्छीले गर्दा पनि यसलाई बोर्डर सुरक्षामा सजिलो बनाएको थियो. Okay, next. Number C, what contributed to the success in the warfare as described in the text? Text मा describe गरे अनुसार warfare मा के कुराले योगदान पुर्यायो त यिनीहरूलाई सजिलै जित्न? The location of the state, the size of the army, and their expert use of the chariot contributed to the success in war. वार कसरी सक्सेस भयो भन्दा लोकेसनले पनि राम्रो भयो, आर्मीको साइज पनि राम्रो थियो र च्यारियटलाई अर्थात् आफ्नो रथलाई पनि तिनीहरूले के गर्थे राम्रोसँग युज गर्न जानेका थिए। नम्बर डी, व्हाई डिड चीन इन्भाइट द फरेन एडभाइजर स्याङयाङ? अब स्याङयाङलाई जो विदेशी मान्छे थियो उसलाई किन बोलाइयो त? द चीन इन्भाइटेड द फरेन एडभाइजर स्याङयाङ टु सजेस्ट देम द आइडिया अफ स्टेट पोलिसी। अब देशको नीति नियम कस्तो बनाउने भनेर आइडिया लिनको लागि तिनीहरूले स्याङयाङलाई बोलाएका थिए। व्हाट वेयर द की फिचर्स अफ द चीन पोलिटिकल सिस्टम? चीन पोलिटिकल सिस्टम कस्तो थियो भन्दा फियर एन्ड कन्ट्रोल वेयर द की फिचर्स अफ द चीन पोलिटिकल सिस्टम। कन्ट्रोल थियो र फियर थियो, डर त्रास थियो र यो एकदम कन्ट्रोलमा थियो, नियन्त्रणमा थियो। त्यसैले नै उनीहरूले विकास गर्न सकेका थिए। नम्बर एफ, हाउ वेयर द पिपल ट्रिटेड ड्युरिङ द चीन पिरियड? चीन पिरियडमा कस्तो व्यवहार गरिन्थ्यो जनतालाई? ड्युरिङ द चीन पिरियड, यहाँ Q is not here, U is not here. During the Qin period, those who contributed the most to the state were highly rewarded, while those whose lives were considered of no consequences were sent to work as slave on Xi Huangdi's building project such as Great Wall of China, the Grand Canal and the roads. जसको राम्रो कन्ट्रिब्युसन थियो देश बनाउनलाई तिनीहरूलाई हाइली रिवार्ड गरिन्थ्यो, तर जसको जीवनमा केही काम गर्न सकेका छैनन् भनेर हेला गरेर के गरिन्थ्यो त भन्दा सी ह्वाङडीले जुन बनाएको थियो नि प्रोजेक्ट, ग्रेट वाल, ग्रान्ड कनाल र रोड बनाउने काम, यिनीहरूमा उनीहरूलाई वर्करको रूपमा, दासको रूपमा युज गरिन्थ्यो। ग्रेट वाल अफ चाइना फेमस छ नि, त्यस्तै ग्रान्ड कनाल, ठुलो नहर। नेक्स्ट, नम्बर जी, व्हाई डिड सी ह्वाङडी स्टप एजुकेटिङ अर्डिनरी पिपल? सी ह्वाङडीले किन स्टप गरे त अर्डिनरी पिपललाई पढ्न भन्दा सी ह्वाङडी स्टप एजुकेटिङ अर्डिनरी पिपल बिकज ही बिलिभ द्याट अनएजुकेटेड पिपल वेयर इजियर टु कन्ट्रोल। जब पढाइ भएको छैन, पढे लेखेको छैनन् भने तिनीहरूलाई कन्ट्रोल गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ, त्यसै कारणले गर्दा उनले तिनीहरूलाई पढाउनमा ध्यान दिएनन्। Okay. Next, H. What did the Chin achieve by legalism in practice? Legalism practice गरेर के achieve गरे त भन्दा the Chin achieved the efficiency and strength of the state, superior army, a disciplined bureaucracy, an obedient populace, and the unquestioned authority of strong central government by the legalism in practice. Legalism practice मा राखेपछि तिनीहरूले के पाए भन्दा यो स्टेटको अर्थात् त्यो देशको पावर, स्ट्रेन्थ र त्यसको क्षमतामा वृद्धि भयो, अनि आर्मी पनि सुपेरियर भयो र डिसिप्लिन ब्युरोक्रेसी, अनि ब्युरोक्रेसी पनि के भयो, डिसिप्लिन भयो। ब्युरोक्रेसी भनेको कर्मचारी तन्त्र, र ओबिडियन्ट पपुलेस, जनताहरू पनि एकदम आज्ञाकारी भए, र अनक्वेसन्ड अथोरिटी, कसैले पनि प्रश्न उठाउन नसक्ने खालको अधिकार तिनीहरूलाई प्राप्त भयो। किन कसैले क्वेसन उठाउन नसक्ने भन्दा क्वेसन उठाउन पाइँदैन थियो, यति विरोध गरेपछि उसको ज्यान जान्थ्यो। ओके, व्हाई डिड सी ह्वाङडी नेभर स्लिप इन द सेम रूम फर 2 consecutive नाइट? अब लगातार 2 रात एउटा कोठामा पनि नसुत्ने सी ह्वाङडी, किनकि कसैले मार्दिन्छन् कि भन्ने उनलाई त्यति डर थियो। सी ह्वाङडी नेभर स्लेप्ट इन द सेम रूम फर 2 consecutive nights because of constant fear of assassination. कसैले मार्छ कि भन्ने डरले उनी एउटै रूममा कहिले पनि सुतेनन्, अलग अलग। यो अचम्मको कुरा हो। ओके, व्हाट आर द एभरलास्टिङ मार्क्स अफ द चिन डिनास्टी? चिन डिनास्टीको एभरलास्टिङ मार्क्स भन्नाले पछिसम्म देखिरहने संकेत के हो त भन्दा द एभरलास्टिङ मार्क्स अफ द चिन डिनास्टी आर द स्ट्यान्डर्ड ब्युरोक्रेटिक गभर्नमेन्ट एन्ड द लेगलिस्टिक पोलिसिज, अ वन्डर अफ एन्सेन्ट आर्टवर्क, अनौठो आर्टवर्क छ। द टेराकोटा आर्मी इन च्याङ, उनले बनाएको टेराकोटा आर्मी पनि एकदम अचम्मको छ। द ग्रेट वाल अफ चाइना, द ग्रान्ड कनाल, The roads which today link the cities of China and the countryside. यी कुराहरू एकदम उसको Qin dynasty को contribution मा पर्छन्. Now grammar. Complete the text below using the correct past form of the verb from the bracket. It is in page number 39 of the book. Number A. The Maya established a very advanced civilization in the Yucatan. However, their culture disappeared by the time Europeans first arrived in the New World. Okay, number B. When I turned on the radio yesterday, I heard a song that was popular when I was at the basic level of my study. It took me back to some old memories. Number C. I was looking for a job. I applied for a job last week. Fortunately, I got it and now job holder. Number B. Choose the correct words from the list and complete the sentences with the correct verb form. Okay. Number C. Teach, write, see, get up, throw, cost. You have to use correctly. Newton saw an apple falling from the tree. Newton saw an apple falling from the tree. It is in number A. Number B. Ramesh Bikal wrote many popular stories. Number C. My jacket is expensive. It cost me rupees 5,000. Number D. She got up early in the morning yesterday. Number E. When I was small, my father left me at home. Number F. Why did you throw the cap away? Now, next slide. Put the verbs into correct form and complete the sentences. Number A. I went to see the film, but I did not enjoy it. Number B. I met Rosina in town a few days ago. Number C. It was very warm, so I took off the coat. Though the bed was very comfortable, I did not sleep very well. Number E. I started a new job last week. Number F. He was too busy in the office yesterday. Number G. Nita invited her to the party, but she did not come. Nita invited her to the party, but she did not come. Okay. In this way, I have prepared video to help you on the exercises of the unit. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.